Guys, welcome back. So in today's tutorial I'm going to take you on how to create a Bitget wallet as a beginner. What you need to do is go to your Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, just go to your App Store and search for it. Now I'm going to use my Play Store as an Android user. Click on your Play Store and here it is. Just come to this search button and you search for Bitget. You can see Bitget wallet. Click on Bitget wallet here and this is it. I've already asked the Bitget wallet on my phone, so I'm just going to click on it to open it directly. So I'm going to open it. I think it asked me to update. So I'm going to go to my Bitget now and let's search for my Bitget. I don't want to update it. So open your Bitget. You can see this is the Bitget wallet. So once you open your Bitget wallet, it's going to show you this interface and how everything looks like. So let's wait for it to load finish. Then you'll be able to see how it can see Bitget wallet as Web3 trading start here. So you have your fingerprint. Just click on later if you want to use it. So this is it. This is everything about your Bitget, your wallet, everything. You want to check your wallet, just come to your wallet. Recently I don't have anything on my wallet, so if you want to receive, you want to send, you want to check anything, your DeFi, your NFT, you choose, everything is here. So it's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.